Abashuubuzi barukorera mu katare ka Central Market akarukumanyonka kasindi nibagirango bamara emyaka 3 barukorera mu mbeera mbi kandi ingwe enshonga zabo bose bari kuzigambira abebembezi konka batari kuzifaho.
Kurugabaho yombeka kataraka tuino obuzibu bwa amizi bakagombeka tibatekamu pipe yona iyo kutwara amizi hansi tibatekamu pipe zone eziri kubasa kutwara amizi gakagenda tibatekamu mifureje hata amizi gakamara kushatura orusiika.
I've been experiencing the problem of water. Water have been so much reaching the extent that even no longer get more customers because of that problem.
Waliwo kati amazi gali awo amazi gayinza tonya bizimbe nikikola kini kitukuba wansi katulansonga ntugamba bajja batuyambe mu bwangu nga tutunakola ki nga tutunafera mu kizimbe.
I've been making several reports as vendors and leaders to those authorities from the municipal, and they've been telling us that they are going to work on this issue, but it seems they are not keeping up.
Tugambira na chance kahindura miya Kasese municipality hanshongeji kandi ebintu byatugambire.
Water is stagnating in some areas more than 4 inches and it lasts for more than 5 days stagnated, meaning that it's already perforating the joineries of the building, it's already weakening the walls of the building because some parts of the building have started even taking much water and you can see some swelling, meaning that the tilling will be done of some walls on the building.
Martin Safar omukuru w'entebe yakashata wa Central Division Kasese municipality atugambira ntebe kanisa zokumara hembereji.
We have made a convened meeting there with the mayor and our engineers. We are going to be on the top of this game at an opportune moment. We have agreed. The engineers have made costings. They are going to make perforation within the walls so that we create outlets that are going to let the water go out.
I got worried when I saw that even the gradient on the wall, on the floor itself, where they put a pipe that is supposed to be taking water down from the rooftop, the gradient does not match with where the hole is.
Gashaka Gilbert Muhanguzi.